Hey guys, this is Poet Spice and I'm here to do a flip through of this Wildflower Folk book. And it is by Christine Karon. So let's go ahead and get into it. It has a nice, one of those nice covers. It's like the Jasmine Beckett Griffith cover, which they just did it differently. And then you've got a craft cover here on the actual book. And you can see where I started testing some some pencils right there. I just wanted to see how they would do. And it's a cream paper versus white. And you can hear it's thicker. And I can just go ahead and go. So you got your copyright page, your little note from the author. I mean, do people really read these? I never read them. And then it goes right into the artwork. It is single-sided, which is fabulous. It is slightly gray, you know, a light gray scale. And I believe this is like a compilation of pictures that she has in other places, because I've seen some of these and it probably tells you that there's new ones or whatever right there, but we're not reading that. So you've got this one. This one. I like how she does her eyes. They're really cute. And I think I only have a couple of her things, like PDFs. So I thought this was a good option. That one is hilarious. Esmeralda is what I think of. This one. And I like that they just kind of have this little faded area, so you don't really have to do a background. Although it's your freaking coloring book. If you don't want to do a background, you don't have to. Hey. I don't know. It happens in every, I've talked about this before. It happens in every community. The painting community, the art community, the craft community, the card making community, scrapbook community, coloring community. There's always, it seems like, just because various people do stuff, that somehow that makes it the standard that you must do that. You must do this. You can't do that. You have to do this. And I was like, dude, when you pay for my book and you pay for my supplies, then you can tell me what I can and cannot do, what I have to do, what I don't have to do. So don't feel bound by other people's rules or expectations. If they don't like it, they don't like it. Heck, you know, I look at some things and I'm like, I don't like that. But so the person who painted it or colored it liked it, so, and even if they didn't like it, whatever. I'm pretty sure they really don't care about my opinion, actually. So it's just like, do what you want to do. I'm scared to do this. I'm scared to do that. Now, don't get me wrong. If you're, I understand, and I have those qualms too. Particularly the more expensive the book is. But at the same time, like if it's really all that, then just copy it on some paper and then have a go at that and keep your book safe. Oh no, that's my rant for today. I don't know, it just irritates me when I hear people talking about how they have to do this or they have to do that. And it's like, no, you don't. You can do whatever you want. I feel bad because I didn't put a background on. Who cares? And if somebody is really that upset that you didn't put a background on it, tell them they can put a background on it for you. How about that? They can pay for you to ship it to them. They can take their time to put the background on, and then they can take their money and pay to ship it back to you if they just really are so adamant about a background. Woo, I guess I am rare form today. Just some things like irritate me. Like, it's okay. It's your stuff. Do what you want. Just like people who talk about how much somebody spends on their craft or hobby. It's like, if it's not your money, why do you care how much they spend? It's their money. Now, if it's your money, that's different. But if it's not, why do you care how much somebody else spends? All that is jealousy. Jealousy. Don't rear your ugly head, 'cause we'll just have to smack it on down, you know? And yeah, maybe it's not practical, but it's not your money and not your life if you're not worried about it. All right, so then it says Blue Angel. You've got her little author stuff here. Then you have the back, and then you have this. I wish they had something on here so like if you took the cover off, you'd know what it was. That would be cool. But there you go. So there's my Wildflower flip through and rant. Thanks for watching and have a good day. And if you leave some snarky comments, then you might get a snarky comment back. So beware. All right, bye. So, hi guys, and thanks for watching. I hope you guys are doing okay out there, and be safe, be blessed, and enjoy yourself, and don't put up with crap. Bye.